Alright, so now that we have the wires set up, let us set your wireless netgear router to work. I'll open up your computer and click on the start button, and in the start box type command. This brings up the big black window. Okay, so here we're gonna type ipconfig, which is gonna give you a bunch of stuff. The only one that we need from here is the default gateway. Now this default gateway happens to be the address of your router. So now you fire up your browser and type in the default gateway address here. Alright, so now it's gonna give you a box for username and password. Now this is different for each router, so you might want to get in touch with your manufacturer to find out what's the default username and password for your router. Okay, and alright, so now this is what the Netgear setup page looks like, and the first thing you might want to do is go to the wireless settings tab on the left and change the wireless network name to something that you want it to be. For me, the lab works just fine. Alright, now you have named your wireless network. The next thing that you should be doing is setting up the security. I generally recommend WEP because it's widely accepted, and most of the wireless cards work with them, even the old ones do pretty well. So you select WEP and set authentication type to automatic, and the key one, you might want to put in a 10-digit number that you can remember very easily. Now this is a key that any device that wants to join your network, you would need to input this key in that for it to connect to the wireless network. So make sure you put something you can remember. Right, we're done. So we click apply, and voila, you're all set up. Now there are a lot of other things on the left that gives you total control over how the router works, but well, that's for another tutorial, not now. Right, I hope you guys enjoyed the Netgear tutorial. Do stop by later and check out our other stuff. Alright, thank you, bye bye.